So let's get into it. The first thing I do, okay, what I used to do is I would do my hair. I'm a hair makeup outfit girl. I always do my hair first, but when I flat iron my hair, what I used to do is I used to put these clips in it. I noticed it would leave a dent. And when I would take it out the clips, I never liked how it looked. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Maybe I need something like this though. Usually I would pull it. I'm just gonna put it here. I just need to be out of my face. I fixed the settings on my camera. I know y'all don't care, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. I fixed the settings on my camera, so hopefully the quality is better and everything looks better. I freaking cut my hand. It hurts so bad. But anyways, I zoomed in just a little bit because I'm about to do my brows and you kind of have to see up close for that. The brow brush I use is like if you hear people in the background, my family is just loud. So whatever. But this is the brush I use. It's one side's a spoolie, one side's an angled brush. You need one of these. They are amazing, or else you're gonna have to just carry a spoolie around. I just did my lashes, by the way, y'all. They look too good. I brush my brows up first. Then I go in with a concealer brush. This concealer brush is something flat. The autofocus on this is crazy, but it's just something flat. And then, okay, I used to use I started off with the NARS Hydrating Creamy Concealer. Loved that one. I used the pot and the bottle. And then I ran out of that one and out of town. So I had to get the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Love this one, right? Ran out of that one out of town, forgot my shade. So I was like, and it would crease a lot. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. This one. Okay, this is very drying. So if you have dry skin, I don't recommend this at all. But I bought it and I hate buying makeup, y'all. Like, I hate buying makeup. So I'm just gonna use it. I carve out my brows first to get my perfect shape. I work really quickly because this concealer was just, it will dry so quick on you. My shade is light beige, and I like this shade a little bit better. It's a little more pink. This one's a little more neutral tone. This one is light sand. So whatever light is. I am also naturally really light though. I just self-tan. When I'm doing my concealer, I like to make sure that the brush is super, super flat with the concealer. Like this, you see how it's super flat. And both my brows are done. Well, no, they're not done. The first step is done. I then go in, hold on. Okay. See how it creates like a slight dent? I already have a dent on this side. Whatever. Then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in caramel, whatever the heck. That's what it looks like. It's broken. I'm gonna go in with the other side of that brush, y'all. Come on, you know what to do. I feel like a with the other side of that brush, and I'm gonna wipe both sides like this, so that way that brush is stupid flat. And I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna try so y'all can see. I'm gonna go in. I just trace the bottom. Okay. And then I fill in the top. Like that. And then I wipe the top. And then I wipe this part back. Crap. But you see that? That gets me the perfect brow every time. Then I'm just gonna comb it out. This technique is pretty consistent. Cute. So once I do my brows, I put this mirror away and I have a vanity mirror. All right, so now I go in with that same concealer And since this is so drying, you have to go eye by eye. Like I have to put concealer on the side, blend it out, then put concealer on the side and blend it out. Usually I would wet my beauty blender, but I just do not feel like going into the bathroom to do that. But I like to work with the dry beauty blender with the hydrating concealer. And with the hydrating concealer, I let it sit. So I would do my concealer and then I would set my eyes with powder and do my eyeshadow and then blend it out. My eyeshadow, but I just, it's not really eyeshadow. Go in here and then I go out here because I like that snatched look. Going with my beauty blender. Blend that out. Mind you, some days I just don't even set this for real. Like if it's like really quick going out and I just do like concealer and bronzer, I won't even set this because it's not so drying, but it's matte. Like it's what it says it is, 16-hour matte. I just put the leftover on like my chin and stuff. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. A little bit goes a long way with this concealer, so. I wanna try the Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm just so afraid because I know it's really heavy coverage and I don't really like heavy coverage. Not that I don't like it, but like, I don't wear foundation, so heavy coverage is like, I feel like it'd be too much on just my bare skin. But I mean, this is kind of heavy coverage, so I don't know. Y'all, last time I posted me doing my makeup, this guy slid up and said, I need a new concealer shade. So, for that boy, wait till the end of this video and ask me tell me if I need a new concealer shade, okay? After I do my concealer, this is when I set everything. I used to use Laura Mercier, which I really liked, and then I ran out of it on vacation, and I wanted to try this Patrick Star One Size Beauty Ultimate Setting Powder. I always use translucent because why not? It's my favorite. And I really like this powder. Like it makes my makeup the same color when I put it on. Cause sometimes, I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes with Laura Mercier, it makes it a tad bit darker. But I crease usually right under my eyes. I'm gonna put some right there. Just like that. And then I go and set my lids. See, my lids don't even crease because this concealer is so matte. It's crazy. Okay. I'm set. No, I'm not. Hello. Okay, I'm set. Now I go in and bronze. This is my favorite part. I love this part. I go in with Superstay 24-hour. Oh, I ripped the thing off on the back. But I had bought this powder for my mom's foundation powder because I do her makeup. And I just ended up keeping it. She likes the MAC one anyway, so I was really doing her a favor. I just put this in my crease. Usually I don't use this big of a brush, but whatever. I lost the other brush, so I found this one in my kit and I just started using it. I like this because it makes my eyes look deep and I like that look. I don't like to not, it's like, I don't ever skip this step. I just bronze my nose a little bit. I don't do this to nose contour, but I do this to bring the color back to my nose. I'll show you what I do to nose contour in a bit. I'm going with the angled brush, obviously. This is my favorite part. I'll do this. I bronze these cheeks up. Usually, my makeup looks its best when I have self-tanner on. My self-tanner is on like its last day. I don't know what it is. My makeup will not make up if I don't have self-tanner on. And I look really orange in here. I promise you, it's not that orange. I usually start off anyway by putting on chapstick, but I guess I forgot. Now, I love this step. Now, lately I've been doing black eyeliner, but I'm just gonna go in with my brow pomade again with that same angled brush. And I'm gonna go on my waterline. It just gives like the best, like, you know what I mean? Like it just gives the best, like, It makes your eyes look so good. But if you have small eyes, I don't do this step because it makes your eyes smaller. If you want to brighten your eyes, you can do white eyeliner, which I have that too. I just hate the way it makes my eyes look. I love the way this makes my eyes look. I'm gonna do bottom mascara. I use Thrive Beauty. Just a tiny bit. Then I'm gonna do blush. I use Thrive again. I don't know what shade this is, but I usually prefer powder, but I just have this one. By the way, do you guys like my nails? They are so cute. Anyways, I just do it like this on the brush because it's like really tough. It doesn't blend out on the skin well. And I like to focus my blush kind of like more like up here, and then I'll smile. Do a tiny bit on the nose, some on the forehead, chin. Make it look natural, because when you naturally blush, you don't just blush on your cheeks. So I do it wherever I naturally blush. Now I'm gonna do highlight. I don't know if this is discontinued, y'all, but I just know y'all need this in your makeup kit. It's the Inglot Sparkling Dust Face Eyes Body. But it's literally the best thing. This is what it looks like. It's the best thing I own. Like, all my friends ask to use it. It's so good. I take a little brush and I just go on the inner corner first. This is how I contour my nose. I go on the tip of the nose, blend that out. I go on the bridge of the nose, blend that out. Right here, I don't know what that's called, but right here, blend that out. That's how I like contour my nose. Do y'all hear my mother? Okay, then I take a fan brush and I go this a little tiny bit goes the longest way. So I'm just gonna take a tiny bit on the fan brush. Just do my cheeks. Mind you, I forgot, I take some of the bronzer and I just go above my lip and below my lip. It makes my lips look bigger. Then I go and do right here. We're gonna move on to lips. This part is so good. This just touches everything. Like, this is the final touch of everything. I'm gonna sharpen my pencil. This is the Makeup by Mario pencil in Heyyyyy, H-U-G-H. I'm gonna link everything below, down below anyway. But I'm gonna line my lips with this. This isn't really a lip liner for me. This is just my base shade. And I hate a Cupid's bow, so I go over my Cupid's bow. So that's just my base shade. And then I go in with this lip palette that I made years ago. And I go in with this shade right here. It's like a dark pink. And I go in with the lip brush. This is really my lip liner. You may ask me, like, Naya, why don't you just get a lip liner that's that shade? It's just not the same. Like, it's not the same. Then I kiss the back of my hand, all that. We don't need on my lips, you know? Rub it. Then I take that powder again. This makes my lips stay all day, y'all. I take that powder. I set my lips. I'm gonna take these out. You see? You see? This is a razor. This was the comb. I told myself I was gonna do it. This is the final look. My camera's literally gonna die, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow all my socials. I love you guys.